Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Hi, I'm Shannon. I hope you're all doing well. So the reason why you have clicked on this video is because you want to watch me unbox my iPad Air, and honestly I am so excited to do this. Today is Friday the 6th of November. I've actually had this sitting on my chest of drawers since Tuesday the 3rd of November. You're probably thinking, why did you just not grab it and film this video? And the whole reason was because I didn't have an Apple Pencil, and the whole reason why I bought this was because it was an investment purpose for my YouTube channel. If you want to see me unbox my iPad Air, then just keep on watching. Oh my god, here it is. Oh my god, I am so excited. Let me just, oh, my address is there. I'm so excited to unbox this. Like I said, I've had this here since Tuesday and today is Friday. I don't even know when I'm uploading this video. Also, I have a feeling I am going to get a few comments about this jumper. It is amazing. Look how gorgeous it is. So it has Toy Story, and this will be in my next video or the video before this. Not really sure. If it is uploaded on my channel, it'll be up on the iCards for you, but if it isn't, then it'll be after this one, okay? To be honest, I watch a lot of these unboxings way before I purchased this, and I do find it so aesthetically pleasing, but I've never done one before. I've never owned a Apple product like an iPad before, so if this isn't going to be aesthetically pleasing, I am so sorry, but yeah. So mine come in a Jiffy bag here, and I'm so excited. Let me just... Oh, that's so hard. Here it is. Oh. So I got it in sky blue. To be honest, I really wanted the gold version, the rose gold version, and it was just sold out. I mean, with the pandemic happening and everything, I think a lot of places like Apple and obviously PlayStation and all that, they're not producing enough units, and everything was sold out, and this was sold out as well, but it finally came in stock. So they have one in 64 gigabytes and this one's in 256 gigabytes. I wanted to get that one because, to be honest, I felt like 64 is just a bit short. I've got more storage on my phone. This is purely going to be for editing, help me transport my editing of the videos. This is also going to help me obviously design my thumbnails. I want more precision on my thumbnails, etc., because at the moment I'm designing it all on my phone with my finger. The precision of using your finger is just difficult, and it takes actual skills to do that. Got it in the sky blue. I also thought as well, what's the point of waiting for my colour to come in? Do you know what I mean? Because I'm gonna have a cover on it, a protected cover, and I'm also gonna probably be sharing this with my boyfriend as well, so I thought I'd get a really nice colour. I've seen reviews on this colour zone, it's so nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, okay, so let's do this tab. Oh, I'm so excited to watch this. Oh, well, that failed. Oh, so exciting. Honestly, I'm so excited for this. Let's see. Could I just pop it? This is risky behaviour, because if it drops... Okay. I'm so nervous. Let me just pop you down here, like that. I can't even Oh, it's coming. Oh. Oh my god, look, it's here. Right. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over the really boring stuff. We also just have the charging port here, and then we have the USB-C, which is cool because I prefer this because this will connect with obviously my MacBook Pro. So yes. And then you have this, I think. Oh, hold on, let me just have a look. I don't actually, like I said, I've never owned an Apple iPad, etc., so I have no idea what to expect in these little packages. Okay, so it just basically tells you what's new. So you have I'll just show you here. Just basically just shows you how to work it, etc., how to turn it on. So I think the new feature of it is it has a touch thing there. This is a weird angle, and then you have your classic stickers that you get with your phones, etc. Do you know what? Okay, exciting, I suppose. Right, I am going to just pan you back up. Oh my god. Right, okay, so here it is. And I'm gonna just do the unwrapping. The one thing I really dislike about doing this is that I feel like I'm just gonna get loads of fingerprints on it and I'm just gonna be like so annoyed. But let's go. Right, you ready, guys? Are you ready? Oh. Oh wow, I've got fingerprints in it already. I felt myself touch the screen. How cute is that? Oh, it's like a it's really weird because you can tell it's blue, but it's so close to like the original like silver grey colour. It's very like muted, so nice. Like, oh, it's not too big either. It's so annoying that I've just got like fingerprints on it. Oh, I hate that. Does any of you hate that? You know, when you get like a new phone and then you get like fingerprints on it, or laptop, and you try your absolute best to not get any fingerprints on it and then it just happens. Oh, but how nice is this? This is beautiful. Like I said, yeah, like it has like the same USB port as the MacBooks, and I feel like I'm talking like I know what I'm talking about. I really don't. I watch so many like reviews on YouTube. Doesn't matter what it is, I will always make sure to look at the reviews on YouTube to find out. So you know that it has like a Touch ID here. It's on, guys. Oh, you're gonna see my ring light. It's on. Okay, hello. Also as well, I've bought my iPad pencil. This is the 2nd generation. I bought this off Amazon. Yeah, they had like a little, it's not a sale necessarily, but I think they knocked off like £1, so instead of it being £119, it's like 118. So I was just like, me bargain hunter, I'm like, oh, it's cheaper. I don't even know what I meant to do. Right, I'm just gonna like undo this as well. I'm so not aesthetically pleasing at all. Okay. Oh, it's one of these you just like slide open. Oh my god, this is so exciting though. Oh, cute. Oh, it's quite weighty. I've never held one of these. Ooh. I like that. Feels so nice. Right, okay, so English, yeah, United Kingdom. What it's going to do is it's going to ask me to like sync my details and stuff, but I really don't want to sync my details from my phone to here, because I kind of just want to use them as like separate devices. So I'm just going to do like set up manually. Do you know what? I don't even know my password off by heart for my Sky. So okay, so I had to like quickly go and get my Wi-Fi password. So now we're on the data and privacy settings. So I'm just going to click continue, and this is what I said about the Touch ID up here, which I'm obsessed with. So use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID password for purchases. So yeah, I want to set it up, and I'm just going to, this is going to be a really weird angle to do it, but I'm just gonna lift and put my finger. So now it's saying about restoring. How do I want to transfer apps and data? I don't want to transfer any apps or data. I kind of just want to start from scratch, because how I want to work this is a lot of it for my like thumbnails for YouTube, etc. So I'm just probably going to just like airdrop the information from my laptop. I use iMovie, so I want to edit my videos portably as well. So instead of like carrying around my laptop and editing it that way, if I just want to sit down and relax, it's going to be easier to use like the Apple Pencil. Here it is. Right, I want to know how you use, oh, that's so cool. Ready? I love that. For someone that has never owned an Apple iPad, this is sick. This is sick. Right, okay, so welcome to Apple Pencil. Your Apple Pencil unlocks a whole new iPad OS experience. I'm just going to turn my ring light down because it's super annoying. Try writing a few words here. Exciting. I'm just gonna say, right, this is gonna be really weird to write like this, but I'm just gonna try my best. Oh, that was so awful. There's also actually another thing that I wanted to show you is I bought this from Amazon. I just wanted to get a nice little case. So yes, I'm just going to slot this in. Okay, I'm gonna slot it in. Oh, it fits like really nicely, like quite snug. Nice. So that's it for my unboxing. It's probably not the best unboxing, to be honest. I've never done one of these before. This is kind of like a noob trying out an Apple iPad for the very first time. I have no idea what the best like apps are, so I'm gonna have a little butchers on YouTube. Like I said, this is just more of an investment purpose for my YouTube channel, so I probably will end up doing an update on what a beginner etc thinks of this, and I will also probably tell you how I use it etc. If you guys are interested anyway. If you do like me and if you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, smash that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. That would help me out massively, and yeah, I hope you stick around and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.